Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a mini review about this little grill here, Mr. Barbecue. So yeah, I was looking for a little grill. Didn't want one ripped off when we go camping, leaving it at the campsites. So I found this guy. The reason I made this video is because there's only one other video at the time of this recording about this grill, and it's very limited. I'm not putting the guy down, but it's very limited. That's all I'm going to say. So this video is going to cover a little bit more. Specifically, this grill is from Lowe's, Mr. Barbecue, model CBT1927L. That's it. All right, and here we are. I already assembled it. Kind of a pain. Took a little time, but we got it done. Wasn't too bad. A lot of screws. A lot of little screws. We use red Loctite on every one of them. I've been grilling for years, like as long as 30 years. So we use Loctite on everything. So here it is. All right. So if you're a first-time griller, I'm going to quickly explain this. What you're looking for is something with a hinge, something light, something that's got air vents. That's very important. Air vent top and bottom. Okay, that's pretty much it. Other than that, there's specific reasons why. Also, it's because if you get one of these little grills, not naming any names, so some of these grills have the lid that comes up, and you got to put it somewhere. So if you got a table full of stuff, you got nowhere to put it on the ground, right? All right, so that's why you want a hinge. Learn the hard way, trust me. Porcelain grate. It's got a charcoal grate, and then that's pretty much it. There's the screws, little wing nuts. They're decent. I mean, I could complain, but I'm not. They're decent. So it's got a lid lock, which is nice. Close the lid and lock it in, just like that. Then you can pick it up. Really, the reason is I made this video specifically is because of the legs. And really, online, they look terrible. Honestly, they look freaking terrible. And I'm a heavy breather, guys. I apologize. I'm sorry. Okay, so these legs are they just with these little brackets right here. You see these little brackets? Now I can't bend those brackets. They're basic. I can't bend them with my fingers, so that's good. So basically, what you do is pull out on each side. So they pull out and then they fold in. Now I'm gonna get it half started because I'm only one-handed. I'm one of those people, I guess. Get it started and then go all the way. So hang tight. Okay, I got it started and close. And that's it. And the same with this side, right? You could do it one-handed the other way. Dink, right? You're probably wondering, is it stable? Like, is it really stable? Do you feel comfortable with this thing on fire in the forest? And I do. It's about 6 pounds, roughly 6 pounds, and basically, I mean, it's not going anywhere. You know what I mean? It's pretty stable. You know, fire in the mountains is not the best thing, but I'd have to say I give this a 9.9 for stability, right? You know, not the best, but definitely is not the worst. So so I decided to put I had one of these laying around in a 2-pack I bought, so I'm gonna put that somewhere right here. And if enough people are interested, I'll upload a video of a cook and the thermostat on it. Didn't come with it, I bought it extra, so just drill a hole and it's pretty easy. So if anybody's interested, I can upload a video on that when it's done. Lid. Boom. The hinges, are those, I didn't think of that. Are those hinges decent? They are decent actually. Obviously if you're not rough at it, like I just was. So, alright guys, I don't want to bore you, but there she is. Stable, 25 bucks. I mean, it was the best one for the 25 bucks. I think I searched pretty much everywhere. This is the best at this point, 2023 June. That's what I found. All right, see ya. I hope I helped somebody. Have a good one.